Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. I'm Randy. This is just a quick update on our frozen mixed berry brandy. I've been getting a lot of questions on, hey, how's it coming out, and when are we going to distill it and stuff. So I just wanted to give you a quick update of what's going on. Okay, just as a quick update. This is day 6 after we made this mash, or would it be worse? Well, anyway. You'll notice the fermentation has slowed down. Okay, now if you look at the airlock here, this is just an indicator. It don't tell you when fermentation is done, but it can be an indicator of what's going on. It was bubbling very good. Now it's starting to slow down. It'll bubble every once in a while. So I think it was the day after we made it. I did open it up and I punched down the pack on the top, and it's like a lot of the fruit will rise up and make a cake on top. So I did punch that down one time, and then I left her alone. Okay, I will not open this up yet. It's still fermenting a very little, and to be honest with you, I don't have time today to run this, so I'm gonna run this next weekend. So that'll give us 2 days. I mean, that'll give us 2 weeks in the fermenter, and I'll be very confident it's done. But we will check it with a hydrometer just to make sure. So, all right, let's go back outside. Okay, so like I said before, it's working good. It's just about done fermenting. But I think it's going to have a few more days yet. So next weekend we're going to run that. So what's going to happen? Okay, so once that's done fermenting, we'll, of course, like we always do, I'll take a siphon and make sure I put a screen over my still pot so I don't get no berry particles or anything. I keep out as much as I can, and we'll siphon that off into the brew pot, and we're going to go ahead and run that brandy off. So then what I plan on doing is taking my big mixing jars, and I'm going to put some berries in them. I'm going to put the distillate in them with sugar because I wanted a sweet brandy. And so then I'll put sugar in them with the distillate, and then we'll probably leave that in there for a couple weeks. We'll taste it, make sure, but I'm thinking a couple weeks. Then I think she'll be done. Okay, so you'll get to see all that. I just wanted to give you a quick update of what's going on. Let's see. Is that it? I think so. All right, this has been a very fun project. I think everybody's been enjoying it. I've got a lot of comments, and we got a lot of views out of it. I appreciate that. Last thing I got to say. Hey, we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing.